we'll guide you through how to understand how ChatGPT gets its information. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once there, you'll want to head over to the ChatGPT section. ChatGPT is trained on a diverse range of internet texts, but it doesn't know specifics about which documents were part of its training set. It's important to note that ChatGPT doesn't have direct access to the internet to fetch real-time data. Instead, it generates responses based on the patterns and information it learned during its training period, which includes a wide array of publicly available data sources up until its last update in October 2023. This means if you're asking about recent events or specific proprietary data, ChatGPT might not have accurate or current insights. For example, when you ask ChatGPT a question, it uses its knowledge of language patterns to predict and generate a response, leveraging the massive amounts of text it has been trained on. You might wonder how it can provide accurate answers to complex topics without real-time data access. It does this by understanding context and drawing on its extensive training. However, keep in mind that while ChatGPT is highly advanced, it can still generate incorrect or nonsensical answers, so always consider cross-referencing important information. If you're curious about how ChatGPT was trained, OpenAI has published research papers and documentation that delve into the technical details, which you can access directly from their website for a deeper understanding. Don't hesitate to explore these resources if you're interested in the nitty-gritty of AI training methodologies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.